Hello, and welcome to Dental Office Efficiency Unleashed, the podcast where we explore the practical application of lean principles in dental practice management. I'm your host, Naeem Vivaria, and today we have a fantastic episode lined up for you. We'll be exploring how lean processes can transform the way the dental offices operate on the daily basis, leading to improved patient experiences and increased productivity. To kick things off, let's ensure we are all on the same page about what lean principles are. Lean is a methodology that aims to eliminate waste while delivering value to customers. In our case, patients are our customers. By reducing inefficiencies and streamlining processes, dental offices can provide better care and experiences. Lean principles are all about optimizing processes for efficiency, and we'll show you how they can lead to more patient-centric and effective practice. Let's look at the five key principles of lean and understand how you can apply those to the dental offices. Let's start by examining the first lean principle: identify value. This is a critical step in understanding what truly matters to your patients during their dental experiences. This could be things like pain-free experience, timely appointments, or even friendly staff. Picture a patient named Sarah. She comes to your practice with a history of dental anxiety and dreads the thoughts of pain during the dental procedures. To identify the value she places on pain-free experience, your team engages in a comprehensive initial consultation. During this consultation, Sarah shares her past dental experiences and the anxiety she feels. This understanding allows you to tailor her treatment plan and the overall experience to minimize any discomfort and pain. Once you have identified what the patient values, the next step is to map the value stream. This means breaking down and analyzing the entire patient journey from the moment they pick up the phone to schedule an appointment to the moment they leave your office. You need to make sure that at no instance during the entire process you lose or compromise what your patient values. Remember, your entire process should be driven by what your patients value. Consider a patient named John. He values efficiency and a smooth experience. To map John's value stream, you and your team meticulously review every step of his visit. This includes examining the appointment, scheduling process, check-in, treatment, and post-appointment follow-ups. The goal is to identify areas where processes can be streamlined, reducing inefficiencies that could cause delays or frustration. Our third principle is create flow. This principle focuses on ensuring that your operational processes flow seamlessly without interruptions or bottlenecks. The goal here is to minimize interruptions and bottlenecks in the workflow. Each step should flow seamlessly into the next. This is a very important step in ensuring a smooth process at your practice. Your team needs to be in sync with each other, well aligned with each other at each step of the process. Let's take an example. Imagine a dental practice where patients frequently experience delays and confusion. They arrive promptly for their appointments, but are kept waiting due to administrative disorganization or lack of technology. Implementing Create Flow principle involves a revamp of a check-in process, for example. Patients are now welcome with a streamlined check-in procedure, ensuring they are seen promptly and their wait times are minimized. This leads to more efficient and satisfying patient experience. Moving on. Next important step in the lean process is establish pull. It's our fourth lean principle, and it revolves around optimizing workloads by timing tasks appropriately, avoiding overloading your staff. This principle involves ensuring that the right amount of work is done at the right time, rather than overloading staff with too much work at once. We often come across overwhelming situation at our practice. And this is caused due to various controllable and even uncontrollable circumstances. And this leads to overloading or multitasking some of the staff member, which may end up in chaos. Leveraging the right technology can help us manage these tasks and also help us avoid overloading staff. Having an organized workflow and utilizing technology can help us address these situations at our practice. Let's consider a scenario which I am sure we all come across quite often, where we encounter too many patient schedule or we are even short-staffed at times. This leads to an overwhelmed staff situation and compromised patient care. By implementing established pull principle, they strategically space out appointments, allowing the dental team to handle the patient load effectively. This results in better patient care and less stress for staff. If you are following me so far, let's move on to the last principle. Lean is an ongoing journey, and it encourages us to strive for perfection. Continuous improvement is the key. Wastes are prevented through the achievement of first four steps: identifying value, mapping value stream, creating flow, and adopting a pull system. However, the fifth step of pursuing perfection is the most important among them all. Lean is an ongoing process. It is not an overnight change or one-time change. So you need to continuously look for ways to improve and optimize your workflows. Think of a dental office that has already made significant improvement in their processes, reducing wait times and enhancing patient satisfaction. However, they don't rest on their laurels. They consistently seek feedback from both patients and staff, embrace new technologies, and actively explore new ways to improve their service. This commitment to excellence keeps their practice at forefront of patient-centered care. Now that we have explored the foundational lean principles, it's time to witness how these principles apply to daily operations in dental office. But before we delve into real-world examples, let's take a moment to review the key steps in dental office management. Our first step is patient scheduling. It's all about ensuring seamless appointment booking process that minimizes gaps and reduces patient wait times. The next is check-in and registration, where we explore the use of digital forms to expedite the check-in process and ensure patient records are readily available. Our third element is treatment planning. Emphasize the importance of collaboration with patient to develop treatment plans that align with your unique goals and financial constraints. Next step is clinical workflow. We will discuss strategies to optimize the movement of staff and patients within the clinic, reducing wasted time and effort. Our fifth element is inventory management. Inventory management involves keeping a close eye on your dental supplies and ordering only what necessary to avoid overstocking. Lastly, we explore billing and payment. I'm sure most important, right? In billing and payment strategy, we will talk about simplifying the billing process, offering flexible payment options to enhance the overall patient experience. Each of these 6 steps play a critical role in your dental practice daily operations, and together they form a foundation of efficiency and patient-centric care. Join us as we delve deeper into each of these elements in the upcoming episode of Dental Office Efficiency Unleashed. Thank you for tuning into our inaugural episode. We trust you found it both informative and engaging. Remember to subscribe and share your thoughts by leaving a review if you found our content valuable. Until our next encounter, keep those smiles shining. Bye-bye.